Today I am reviewing HP OMEN 16L Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP OMEN 16L i7 RTX 4060 Gaming Desktop is a machine that perfectly balances raw power, modern design, and future-ready features, making it an excellent choice for gamers, students, and professionals who need top-tier performance. At the heart of this desktop is the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, a 20-core, 28-thread powerhouse that actually outperforms the i9-12900F in many scenarios. With a base frequency of 1.5 GHz and the ability to boost up to an incredible 5.4 GHz, this processor ensures that everything from high-intensity gaming to demanding multitasking runs smoothly without any bottlenecks. Whether you're compiling large projects, editing 4K video, streaming content, or playing the latest AAA games, the CPU has more than enough horsepower to keep everything fast and responsive. Complementing this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. The RTX 4060 delivers exceptional performance for modern gaming, especially at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, with smooth frame rates, ray tracing, and DLSS 3 support for AI-powered frame generation. This makes visually demanding titles look and feel incredible, with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. It also doubles as a reliable GPU for creative work such as 3D modeling, rendering, or AI-based applications, making it not just a gaming powerhouse, but also a productivity and creative tool. Backing this powerful combination is 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, a huge leap forward compared to DDR4 memory. DDR5 doesn't just mean more capacity, it also means faster speeds, lower latency, and better efficiency. With this amount of memory, you can run dozens of browser tabs, multiple programs, virtual machines, or heavy editing software all at once, with zero lag. For most users, 32 GB is more than enough, but this system also allows expansion up to 64 GB, giving you plenty of room to upgrade in the future if your needs grow. Storage is handled by a 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, which provides lightning-fast boot times and near-instantaneous application loading. Games launch within seconds, large files transfer quickly, and system responsiveness is immediate. With this much storage, you can keep a large library of games, projects, and media files on hand without worrying about space. And for those who need even more, the system supports expansion up to 4 TB, so you won't be running out of storage anytime soon. Connectivity is another strength of the HP OMEN 16L. It includes a wide selection of ports, such as 3 SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports, a SuperSpeed USB Type-C port, for additional USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, 3 display ports for multiple monitor setups, RJ45 Ethernet for stable wired internet, and audio jacks for headsets or external speakers. Wireless connectivity is equally modern, with Wi-Fi 6 providing faster and more stable wireless performance, along with Bluetooth for peripherals and accessories. Whether you're gaming online, attending virtual meetings, or streaming content, you can expect strong and reliable connections. The system runs on Windows 11 Home, which brings a clean, modern interface, improved multitasking features, and enhanced gaming integration, including auto HDR and direct storage support for faster load times in supported games. Combined with the hardware, this desktop is designed to make the most of Windows 11's new features. Another great addition is the bundle, which includes the Machenike K500B-B87 Gaming Keyboard. This is not just a standard accessory. It's designed for gamers with durable keycaps and vibrant lighting effects that add to the overall gaming experience. It's a nice bonus that enhances the value of the package. Physically, the desktop itself is sleek and compact, measuring just 13.26 by 12.12 by 6.1 inches and weighing around 14 pounds. The black tower design is modern and fits seamlessly into a gaming setup, a student desk, or even a professional office. Despite being powerful, it maintains a form factor that isn't overwhelming in size, making it practical for different environments. Overall, The HP OMEN 16L i7 RTX 4060 gaming desktop strikes the right balance between power, future-proofing, and everyday usability. It's capable of handling today's most demanding games and productivity tasks while also being ready for tomorrow's software and workloads. The combination of the Intel i7-14700F processor, RTX 4060 graphics, 32 GB of DDR5 memory, and a fast 1 TB SSD means you're getting not only speed, but also long-term reliability. Add in the excellent connectivity, Windows 11 features, and the included gaming keyboard, and you have a system that's ready to perform across gaming, creative, business, and student needs. For anyone looking for a powerful desktop in 2025, the HP OMEN 16L is a fantastic investment.